Hey YouTube, DNL Machine coming at you with another video to help you stay out of the jello pudding. This is a 2008 Mitsubishi Outlander Canada version. The fog lamps are the daytime running lights. And unlike many YouTube videos where you see them unscrew this ring, okay, this ring does not unscrew. As you can see, it's got the clip tabs at approximately, I don't know, 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And I don't know if you can see right in there, there's one of the tab holes. There's another tab indent there, and then the bottom one just goes in there. So the way I got this out was I used a 90-degree pick. Went underneath like this, got under, picked it up, and pulled it out just like that. And unfortunately, to remove this fog lamp to get at the bulb, look what you're looking at back here. Okay, I hope you can see that. Sorry if the video went flipped, but there's 110 mil there, 110 mil there. And there's another one on the other side there that you can't see. There's 3. It looks like there's holes for 4, but there's only 3. So yeah, good luck getting that out. Stay gold.